The array concat methods allows you to concatenate two or more arrays. The concat method returns a new array containing the joined arrays. For example, we have A and B, which are both an array. So we can see this how to it works with concat. This, yeah, the console.log. We can see console. Okay. Oh, sorry. This, yeah, we will create a variable C. This will change C. Yeah, this is perfect. It's working. And we are creating third array. How to join three arrays? It is very simple. That is to say, the B, the comma, D. And we are checking the console. Yes, that is great. It's working now. And also we are checking the other array, changing or not changing. And B, the console, and D. Sorry, console.log. We can see the concat method doesn't change the existing arrays.